Praise the Lord.
Yesu mwabuzizaro.
Louez Jésus.
I have come to testify. In the first place, I want to thank God and my spiritual father.
Memu yeti jogo sale Mungu na wafofea zina kama glory diable.
Après mille places, je veux remercier notre Dieu le Créateur, sans oublier notre Père spirituel, Papa.
For bringing goodness on our land and our people.
Erino nyikizu ba mamle dunia bila ngwamanga
Pour nous amener de bonnes choses.
My testimony is about this blessed handkerchief and blessed water.
mamle yoti jezari kitamba alaro madria azini alaro dadi.
Mon témoignage, c'est à propos de l'eau bénie et aussi de Moshe qu'on a béni.
Last week, Friday, I went to the village.
Onutoi wiki alipilivele siya mudra kwa chalwa.
Le vendredi passé, j'étais allé au village.
As I passed by my neighbor,
Manya nilia jirani magiesi.
Quand j'ai traversé mon voisin,
that neighbor actually is called to me, there is a widow.
Jirani dada nsema ini edwenya uzini.
son voisin était vert.
Then I waved at them and asked them, "How are you?"
Masidiki ya ini nayo ni elingonia.
Je lui ai dit, comment ça va?
Then the mother, that call, answered that they are not okay. Then I got concerned. I decided to branch to them.
Ma ida kinia mado amukeko iyo la bimasi masidi masinga muzuri mudasi.
La femme m'a vu, je n'avais pas bien, alors j'étais concerné pour aller les voir.
When I reached there, I saw the daughter, the only daughter who usually helps her, seated at the veranda with a walking stick beside her.
Mais sur le village d'enva à ula l'opiler mazakopi ni obutrias leri. Retibini barasa chandiru karibini agenyati.
J'ai trouvé que sa seule fille qu'elle était avait la canne à marcher à côté d'elle.
Then I asked her, "What is the problem?" She told me the lady hasn't stepped on some charm and that she's now paralyzed.
Manzira dioni akini zama mahidi leto pa fondi diele aparebedi pani tradini woro.
Au moment où je lui ai demandé ce qui se passe, elle m'a dit sa fille avait piétiné les gris-gris ou bien quelque chose.
I asked the lady, "How did it all start?" She told me she was going to bathe in the bathroom and then she stepped on something and she felt a pricking pain on her leg.
Amasidizi azamba la yonde yogonia zamba kinimani mulya monjira sakati yani asolo papa afazima ndia para solo mandri ni mchoti mapesulu eyo.
J'ai demandé à cette fille ce qui se passe. Elle m'a dit, au moment où il devait prendre le bain, il a piétiné quelque chose qui l'a piqué, alors c'était seulement terrible.
But at first she took it for granted, but in the course of the night, the whole one side became paralyzed.
Of course kungena para karodini teni maria itajonzi kala rodini di raworo.
Elle avait pris comme une braque, mais pendant la nuit, elle a constaté que l'autre partie était paralysée.
That is, the following day on Saturday, the girl went to the health center there and they gave her Quatem. They were suspecting effect of malaria.
Odu pusdini si gadinu evle kliniki nia daru maba felu isi Quatem di ini chono malaria ni angonia ra te iyo azoje taru.
Les heures suivantes, il était allé au centre médical. Alors le docteur a dit peut-être que c'est le cas de malaria.
That when she came back home from the health center, the thing had even now spread on the other leg and the other side, and her hands were all getting paralyzed.
Ereni vizu kliniki ya bosi. Afadhili sivini ni ya jakala ziru madia imdi woro rudini pe woro ita kibini woro pokokoro.
À l'entrée du centre médical, elle était complètement paralysée partout.
There's a prayer place there at Arroy. they call it Caesar's place like that. They said they went to that place and they prayed, but there was nothing, there was no change.
Angwazaro yachi babili muguzira ni bombe angusiza mle linyani muda muguzira hata bazi mugutio tatayo ya.
Il y avait aussi un endroit à Roy qu'on appelle Césaire. Ils ont prié là-bas, mais c'était en vain, il n'y avait pas de changement.
Then I told the girl, can we go to my home, my room? Let's go and pray. I just now told them like that.
Masdio zamani emicho mwa kwera amatanga fima mlechwa amatetinga Mungu zitua lumi.
J'ai supplié les familles, j'ai dit qu'est-ce qu'on peut aller chez moi pour aller prier. Ils ont dit oui, nous sommes allés prier dans ma maison.
One of my in-laws was there and she laughed and said, this kind of thing needs a prayer at Caesar's place. You cannot manage this.
Zemani aonyere roi asia sitimili gugu. Hii Mungu iminizi ngoya kante ni msiza vlangu aka Mungu ni azingando. Bayola ya parakaro.
Au moment où j'ai dit qu'on puisse aller prier, j'avais un beau-frère qui était entré derrière. Il a dit que non, cette place ne peut pas aller, qu'on puisse aller chez Césaire.
But mother and daughter accepted. They came to my room. From their home, which is not even very far, to my room, they took about 40 minutes because the girl was now just limping, kind of.
Makule akuyo munirere kuyari kozu ivuda muzu pere mahuda ukiminti ogogo kalisu askuna kwa kwa mifizu zamba marwangire se ayaki azamba bia ili muzu muzizo mabera.
La mère de cette fille avait accepté d'aller prier, mais la distance entre ma maison et leur maison, c'était seulement, c'était pas loin, mais ils ont pris à peu près 40 minutes pour arriver chez moi.
That day, I had carried my blessed handkerchief and water in my bag. So I removed it. I told them, these things, they have prayed about it from the prayer center, the water. These things carry the power of God. We are going to pray using it.
Masitigoini, yelardi, kitamba natara rodi, bazi madria mungu gonga zuro kodri water. Iyo pomo goni ibeti amamu ya yumu guzizo ni betu alori.
C'est avec trouvé que je me suis mis avec mouchoir et aussi l'eau bénie. Je leur ai déclaré qu'on va prier parce que le mouchoir et aussi l'eau bénie avec des puissances de notre Père des water.
I poured water on the handkerchief I gave the girl. I told her, we are going to sing. And as we sing, you be placing these things on your leg, on your hands, where you feel you can place them.
Masiti yela dat kampala majachi akizamba la epidemia amaminji tedodi ni ayudiri ibaya komina ama azo lipimaya amani chita yeli.
J'ai supplié cette femme. J'ai dit maintenant qu'on puisse, j'ai versé l'eau de l'eau mouchoir. Alors j'ai dit comment on va commencer à prier. Il faut placer ça là où vous voyez il y a des douées.
So we just sang. I mentioned I was just singing worship song, and our eyes were all closed, and suddenly I saw the girl was shaking, and she was having running nose. Her eyes were wet as if she was crying. She was shaking seriously, and after.
Amani chita yeli amamigo kizarote mama zambarani woni do ya dini o ongusibe woni do dimu ya ongusibe wa dini.
Au moment où on a commencé à prier, la fille a commencé à trembler. Lui, il était en train de suer aussi avec des morts partout.
Then, after we finished, I told the girl, you get up. At first she thought she was still paralyzed, but I just told her, you get up. And then the girl got up.
Amani dini chadedadi. Masio kama laenda bwa, orifiesi ni ati ganga podi, igwa poko kwa ni desu zalo ni bwelele pale alo alatara.
Après la prière, j'ai dit à cette fille, levez-vous. Il avait eu peur parce qu'il connaissait qu'il était paralysé. Mais j'ai dit non, n'ayez pas peur, levez-vous.
Then she got out. She started walking. She walked to their home.
Finalement, il était soulevé, il était parti à la maison en utilisant ses propres pieds.
And he left the walking stick there. And then the mother, this morning I went there, the mother asked me, where is that prayer place that she would like to come here? I think next week I'll bring her here.
Put your hands for Jesus. Don't worry. The reason why they don't cry is because they are jealous. Praise the Lord. You gave her this water.
Yes, Daddy.
And the handkerchief.
Yes, Daddy.
This girl was paralyzed.
She was paralyzed.
She couldn't walk.
No.
Immediately you gave her this thing.
She got up.
She stood up.
Yes.
She started walking. See, I don't sell it, right? You buy it from town. You bring it. All I do is I put the power of God in it. And it becomes an instrument in the hands of God. Put your hands for Jesus. Power is available. Whether they like it or power is available. If you don't believe it, it is not my problem. Me, I know power is available. So she can. Yeah. Oh my goodness. She was paralyzed. For how long?
2 days.
2 days. She stepped on the chair.
Yes, Daddy.
And she could not use
She couldn't.
her 2 legs.
No. Even the
Even the hand
Yes, Daddy.
became.
Paralyzed.
But when you use this,
Everything was okay.
if jealousy can stop people, it would have stopped me. But you see, when God is with you, people will make noise about you, but they cannot stop you. Put your hands for Jesus. I want to see this girl and her mother next week. All right, God bless you. Come on, sir.